Hey my chickadees, welcome back to the Back 40. It's Juju, and we have our junk journal January for day number 28, grungy. And I did this, and I had a ball doing this. Oh my goodness, it's got so many layers of stuff on it, it's not even funny. This is the little book page, so I turned it over, made a little pocket. And then on this side of the page, I just took my paints and my mica sprays and my DIY ones and my Tim Holtz ones, and I just went to work. And I just sprayed and layered and sprayed and painted and just had a good time to grunge it all up. And then I took the rust around it to frame it in. And then this is a book page card. Actually, it's a junk mail. And I took it and cut it out and put the book page on top of it. And then with that, I did a piece of some paste. And put the paste on it there. It was just some rub off stuff that I was playing with. And instead of throwing it away, I glued it on here. And then sprayed the purple stuff on it. And then I have these white bows. They're just starch white. I was trying to see if I had one up here. I had laid some up here, I thought. But I mean, it was bright white. So I took my sprays and just sprayed it. And my paints and just sprayed it. Cut off the little rose that was on top of it and put that blue button there. And put me a little key on this side. And that's my grungy. Also, you have a pocket here if you need a pocket. You have a pocket here, and I put a piece of lace, taped a piece of lace. Glued a piece of lace down behind the pocket. But you could put something down inside the pocket here if you want to. So working pocket. And that is our day. I hope you've enjoyed yourself and having a good time, because I know I am. Bye. See you next time. Love you.